Hey friends, Nicole again from the Tree Center. Here, over here. Oh, I'm sorry, you didn't see me behind the most popular privacy tree, the Thuja Green Giant? Hey friends, Nicole again from the Tree Center, here to spill the tea on our most popular privacy tree, the Thuja Green Giant. These hybrid evergreens really are something else, combining the best traits to give you the perfect privacy tree, like keeping their lush green foliage all year long, which means no more drab winter months. So when other trees start dropping their leaves, you're still going to be enjoying your green privacy screen. And with giant in their name, you know these guys mean business. They're one of the fastest growing evergreen trees you can plant, growing up to 3 feet per year. So you'll have a natural wall transforming your space into a cozy, secluded oasis in no time. These trees were planted just last year. These trees are so dense, they also act as a natural sound barrier, keeping unwanted noise like construction and noisy neighbors out. Thuja Green Giants are super hardy and low maintenance too. Once their roots get settled in, just an occasional drink of water is all they need. Plus, they're resistant to most pests and diseases, which means less work for you and more time to enjoy your yard. At the Tree Center, we specialize in providing premium quality trees at unbeatable prices. Our team is here to offer expert advice and ensure you get the perfect plants delivered fast, straight from our nursery to your front door.